Alright, welcome back once again. We are treating chapter 3 of our Excel 2013. And we'll be looking at save and save as. We will using save as to make a copy, also auto recovery, exporting workbooks, also to export workbook to other file types, and sharing your workbook. And of course we have challenges. In our chapter 3 we will save and save as. It offers two ways to save. You have the save and you also have the save as. This option works in similar ways with what few differences. Save, when you save, when you create or edit a workbook, you use save command to save your changes. You use this command most of the time. When you save a file, you only need to choose a file name, then location for the first time. After that, you can just click save command to save it with the same name and same location. So for the first time, you always use save, which will enable you to give it a name and the location, first file location. But what about save as? Save as, you use this command to create a copy. You create a copy of the workbook while keeping the original. You create a copy while keeping the original, which gives you that you are now having two copies of a particular work, but you can have it as different names, or there must be a different names anyway. You have the original and you have the copy. When you use save as, you need to choose a different name and or location for the copied version. I want to believe that we've understood the difference between save as and save. Now, to save a workbook, it is important to save your workbook wherever you start a new project or make changes to an existing one. Saving early and often can prevent your work from being lost. You also need to pay close attention to where you save the workbook so that it will be easy to find later. So how do you save? This is how you use the command save on the quick access toolbar to do your save. If you are saving for the first time, save as pane will apply at the back view. You then need to choose where to save. You browse to the computer, you browse to where you want to save it, or you save it in OneDrive. Now this is how the backstage looks like. You see the save as, it opens. Then also you see the save as dialog will appear. Select the location, give it a name, and then click save. This is it. This is how it looks like. This is where it appears, and this is where you give name. Yes. Then using save as to make a copy. If you want to make a different version of a workbook while keeping the original, you use save as. For example, if you want to save the file name sales data, you could also have a sales data too. So you'll be able to edit the new and still refers to the back, the original. So you click on save as. Then also you might need to change the default location where you always have your work being saved. That is where you say you can change your default location. Click on the file tab. You get to the backstage view, you click on option. Inside the options, the Excel will appear. Save, check the box next to save to computer by default, then click OK. This default location will be saved. You can see you click on save and it says save to computer by default. It will save there automatically. Now let's talk about the auto recovery. Auto recovery, this automatically saves your workbook to a temporary folder when you're working on them. If you forget to save your changes, or if your cell crashes, you can restore the file by using the auto recovery. Now how do you use the auto recovery? You open up your 2013. If auto versions of the file found, the document recover pane will appear. Click to open an available file. The workbook will be restored. And see, once you open up your Excel, automatically it will show beside your pane that you have a file to recover. By default, it's auto recovery every 30 minutes, but you can make it smaller, maybe like 1 minute, but the default is 10 minutes. If you don't see the file you need, you can browse all auto recovery from backview and just select the file tab, click manage version, and choose recover unsaved workbook. Just like this, click the information, click the manage version, then recover the unsaved workbook. Now, exporting workbook. By default, Excel are saved with XLSX file tab. However, at times you may need to use another file tab such as PDF, or you downgrade it to 97/2003 workbook. It's easy to export from Excel to any variety of file types. To export a workbook as a PDF file, these are what you do. You click at the file tab to access the backstage view and click export, then select PDF XPS. You can see you click the backstage file, you come to the backstage view, click on create PDF, then you click on create. So from there you can click, select the location where you want to export the work to, enter a name, and then of which you click publish, just like this. This is what I want it, this is what I want it to be the name, after which you click publish. You can select which page you want to export as a whole. Either you want to use page 1, page 5, page 10, it will only export those 3 pages, or you want to use the entire. By clicking the options, you select this, or you select which of the page ranges you want. You can also export your work in 1997 to 2003, because whatever you save in your 2013 can never be opened in your 2003. But you can as well downgrade it so that you can open it, which is this. You export it to change the file type, then you select which format you want, which is this. You now say save as. It's going to save it based on that your 2003, which is this. You see it's there, then you click save. You can also select any other ones you want to save your Excel versions with. Now, another good thing about this Excel is you can actually create, you can easily make it to share and collaborate on workbooks using OneDrive. That is, other people at the other hand of geographical of different geographical location can work at the same time with you. That's the essence of sharing. And how do you share? You click on File, Backstage View, you click on the Share, just like this. It will appear. Then you see something like this. You can invite people, or you can get a link, or you can post it even straight to social network. Now the challenges are this. You need to know how to open the blank. You need to save. You need to save also and invite someone to view it. You need to learn how to export to PDF file. Well, thank you very much for